High voltage drama was witnessed at the Jadavpur University in Kolkata last evening. A massive student protest erupting during the State Education Minister's visit to the university. The students who were protesting to demand that students' union elections be held at the earliest allegedly gherawed and vandalized the minister's vehicle. The protesters allegedly deflated the tires of the vehicle as well and also raised slogans saying "Chor Chor." The stones also being allegedly pelted at the minister's car, which led to the minister being injured. In fact, he was later admitted to the SSKM hospital and doctors say that he is stable. But if that is one version of what happened, the protesting students, on the other hand, allege that cars which were part of the minister's convoy had allegedly run over some of the students, leaving them severely injured. In fact, they said that the minister was on a visit to the campus to attend the annual general meeting of the West Bengal College and University Professors Association, which is a professors' wing of the TMC. When the left-wing students learnt about the visit, they planned to speak to him to press for their demand for a students' union polls, but that's when the issue escalated.
ইউনিয়ন ইলেকশন দীর্ঘ 5 বছর হয়নি। ইউনিয়ন ইলেকশন সংক্রান্ত আলোচনা আমরা ওই মিটিংয়ে করব, কিন্তু আজকে যখন সেই দাবি নিয়ে যাওয়া হয়, শান্তিপূর্ণভাবে যাওয়া হয়, ওনাদের কাছে অনুরোধ করা হয় বারবার, তখন শিক্ষামন্ত্রী আমাদের ফার্স্ট ইয়ারের একটি ছাত্রের ওপর দিয়ে গাড়ি চালিয়ে বেরিয়ে গেছে। এই রকম অযোগ্য শিক্ষামন্ত্রীর আমাদের ধিক্কার জানাতে বাধ্য হচ্ছি আমরা।
প্রথমে তো তাদের যে গুন্ডা বাহিনী, তৃণমূলের যে গুন্ডা বাহিনী, তারা আমাদের উপর চড়াও হয়, তারা আমাদের দিকে চেয়ার ছড়ে, আমাদেরকে ঠেলে ফেলে দেয়। তারপরে বিভিন্নভাবে অকথ্য ভাষায় গালিগালাজ করে, মেয়েদের জামা ছিঁড়ে ফেলা হয়, মেয়েদের ইনঅ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েটলি টাচ করা হয়, অনেক কিছু হয়, ঠেলে ফেলে দেওয়া হয়। তারপরেও আমরা যখন বিক্ষোভ প্রদর্শন করতে থাকি, গাড়ি ব্লক করি, তারা আমাদের ওপর দিয়ে গাড়ি চালিয়ে দেয়। আমাদের 6-7 জন বন্ধু তারা কিন্তু সিরিয়াসলি ইনজিওর্ড। এই যে একজন আমার বন্ধু রয়েছে, তার হাতেও রক্ত লেগে রয়েছে, একজনের ডান চোখ ফেটে গেছে। আজকে আমার প্রশ্ন একটাই যে যাদবপুর বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে যদি আমি তৃণমূলকে প্রশ্ন করি বা বিক্ষোভ প্রদর্শন করি, তারা আমার উপর গাড়ি চালিয়ে দেবে।
So this is the version of the students after the high voltage drama that was witnessed at the university. In fact, after this high drama inside the campus, members of the student wing of the TMC and the SFI workers came face to face outside the Jadavpur police station as well, raising slogans against one another. The TMC MP Sayoni Ghosh, the party's councillors and other workers of the TMC were also present at the spot as heavy security deployment was also put in place to bring the situation under control. Here's how the drama unfolded right outside the police station at around 7:40 p.m.
Right now you can see that a huge scuffle is breaking out in front of Jadavpur Thana. These are the TMC people. On one side there is police. Police is controlling the TMC people from attacking the SFI. You can see that the left students, the SFI are standing there, and in between it is the police who is standing as a bridge in between.
They are giving us rape threats. They are telling that we'll rape you. Please come here and
you can see how they are trying to break the barriers. These are the SFI members. There are the TMC students, and on the other hand there is SFI. A clash is likely to break between the SFI and the TMC members. Just now we have seen that Sayoni Ghosh and Arup Bishwas have addressed. They have said that they cannot be students. The one who attacked Bharata Basu, they cannot be students. They must be gundas. Even the police is not able to control the crowd, and you can see how the TMC, they're advancing towards the SFI and the other way around, and police is standing as a bridge in between. You can see how police is standing in between and acting as a mediator between both the parties and trying to end this scuffle. Remember, this entire thing started after the students, the left students have attacked Bharata Basu's car today. The minister was injured. He was taken to a hospital. The students have also alleged that one of the students was seriously injured. They were hit by a car.
Now, the professors' wing of the TMC, whose meeting the Minister Bharata Basu had come to attend, released a statement and condemned the violence allegedly unleashed by the students. As per the statement by the West Bengal College and University Professors Association, Bharata Basu was ready to have a meeting with the protesting students, but the ultra-left students created chaos and attacked the state minister. It also announced its plans to stage a demonstration on the 4th of March at the Jadavpur bus stand. The Students' Federation of India has also issued a call for a strike across all universities of West Bengal on the 3rd of March, claiming that the State Education Minister attacked the students of the Jadavpur University. A political showdown has also erupted with the BJP's co-in-charge for Bengal, Amit Malviya, linking the students' anger to the alleged mishandling by the state government of the RG Kar rape and murder case. The TMC, on the other hand, alleged a political conspiracy to create chaos and disturb the atmosphere.
आज जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी में एक शिक्षक का कॉन्क्लेव था और वहां पे हमारे जो राज्य के शिक्षा मंत्री हैं उनके साथ जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी एसएफआई के स्टूडेंट ने बहुत बुरा बर्ताव किया, गाली गलौज की, उनको प्रहार किया उनपे। हम लोग धिक्कार, हम लोग यहाँ पे वी आर हियर टू कंडेम दिस एंड वी वांट टू से दैट डेमोक्रेसी शुड प्रिवेल। और ये ममता बनर्जी उनका शासनकाल है, हम लोग बहुत सेंसिटिविटी और सेंसिबिलिटी के साथ हैंडल करते हैं, बट दे शुडंट टेक आवर सेंसिटिविटी और सेंसिबिलिटी टू बी आवर वीकनेस।
Let's go across to my colleague Ritik Mandal, who's joining us on the broadcast with the details. Ritik, a big clash taking place at the university campus, then it also shifted outside the police station. What is the situation on the ground and what actually happened? Because we are hearing one version of what happened, then a counter version, protests and counter protests also being planned.
See, this allegation against the Bengal Minister Brato Boshu is serious, which has been labelled by the students. But we are given to understand that one of Minister's cars drove through the protesting students, that resulted, multiple injuries to several students. And we are currently live from the KPC Hospital. Indra Nuj Roy, one, first year English department students who was allegedly, knocked down by Minister's cars, is undergoing treatment at this particular hospital. The hospital sources telling us he has suffered, head and eye injuries. He is undergoing treatment at this amid this situation and the wake of hours-long turmoil that witnessed at the university campuses. Multiple FIRs have been lodged with regard to this incident. At least 5 FIRs have been lodged in connection with assaulting Bengal Minister Brato Boshu. One student of Jadavpur University was picked up late last night by Kolkata police, and what more we are picking up that today multiple protests are being lined up, be it by the SFI, which is the student wing of the left parties, or the left parties, and also the TMC is also planning to protest, stage protest at Jadavpur, in and around Jadavpur University campuses. So the heating movement are expected to take place once again today.
Okay, so the issue is only going to escalate. While the TMC claims the minister has been injured, the students say that it was the protesting students who were at the receiving end and are actually injured. Issue continues to escalate and we will continue getting you these ground reports. For now, a very quick break. Don't go anywhere. We'll see you on the other side.